Dear students, in this lecture, we will discuss problem number 5. I think in the last lecture, we discussed problem number 4. We discussed problem number 4. Now, we will discuss problem 5 and 6. Okay. So, problem 5 is find yn if y is equal to x square plus 4 by 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So we will solve this problem in two different methods. The first method, I'm going to write the numerator. So this is the numerator in terms of the denominator. So this is the denominator. That is the idea. So this is slightly difficult. Okay, you need to think. Okay, and then is it possible to write the numerator in terms of denominator? Sometimes it's easy, sometimes slightly you need to think. Okay, so this is the first method. Second method is directly you can apply partial fraction. Okay, that method I will discuss with you. Okay, so first method, again, the numerator, I will write the numerator, this is the numerator in terms of what? Denominator. What is the denominator here? X minus 1 whole square into 2x plus 3. So just I am going to add these two. X minus 1 whole square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to x minus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 2x plus 3. So minus 2x plus 2x gets cancelled. Remaining is what? X square plus 1 plus 3, 4. So instead of x square plus 4, that is instead of a numerator, you can write what? X square minus x minus 1 whole square plus 2x plus 3. So that's why y is equal to, instead of x square plus 4, I wrote here x minus 1 whole square plus 2x plus 3 divided by the same denominator. So 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square. So now you can split like this. Okay, how you can write y is equal to, okay, this term divided by these two terms. Okay, so that means this portion. Okay, this portion. So then if you write like this, okay, these two are what? Cancel. Remaining we have what? 1 by 2x plus 3. So that is I wrote here. Okay, 1 by 2x plus 3 I wrote here. Okay, now next, similarly you can write what? 2x plus 3 divided by what? 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square. So then 2x plus 3 gets cancelled. You will get what? 1 by x minus 1 whole square. So 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Okay. Otherwise, if you want, you can write one more step. X minus 1 whole square by the denominator. What is the denominator? 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square, and then I don't have space, that's why I write here plus 2x plus 3 whole divided by 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square. So x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square gets cancelled. Okay, so 1 by 2x plus 3, and then here, and then here 2x plus 3 and the 2x plus 3 gets cancelled. Okay, 1 by x minus 1 whole square. 1 by x minus 1 whole square here. Okay, So now this is equal to 2x plus 3 whole power minus 1. This is what? X minus 1 whole power minus 2. So we need to find now nth derivative of this function. So this is for this one, you can apply the nth derivative of ax plus b whole power minus 1. So this result you should remember. Minus 1 whole power n factorial into a power n by ax plus b whole power n plus 1. Okay, here what is a here? A is a 2. So here a equal to 2. Okay, and b is what? A is 2, b is what? 3. A equal to 2, b equal to 3. Substitute here, so then what will get? Minus 1 whole power n into n factorial into a is what? 2 power n divided by, so a is 2, so 2x plus b is what? 3 whole power n plus 1. Okay. But the second term is x minus 1 whole power minus 2. So for this we need this result, nth derivative of ax plus b whole power minus m. So which is equal to minus 1 whole power m into m plus m minus 1 factorial divided by m minus 1 factorial into a power n by ax plus b whole power m plus m. So, okay. Now, here, what is a here? A is 1. What is b? B is minus 1. And m is what? 2. So, substitute a equal to 1 and b equal to what? Minus 1. B is minus 1 and m equal to 2. B minus 1, m equal to 2. Okay, so nth derivative of x minus 1 whole power minus 2. So x minus 1 whole power minus 2, substitute, which is equal to what? Minus 1 whole power n into m. What is m? M is 2. M is 2 plus n minus 1 factorial divided by m minus 1 factorial. What is m again? M is 2. So 2 minus 1 factorial into a power n. A, what is a? A power n by ax plus b whole power n plus n. So a power n, a is 1 power n by ax plus b. So 1, a is 1 into x plus b, but b is what? Minus 1 whole power, again power is what? M plus n. So m is what? 2, so 2 plus n. If you simplify this, minus 1 whole power n, so n 2 minus 1, so plus 1, n, so n plus 1 factorial by 2 minus 1 is 1 factorial into 1 by x minus 1 whole power n plus 2. Okay, so now differentiate equation 1 n times, both the left side as well as the right side. Differentiate equation 1, okay, n times. Then what will get? Yn is equal to nth derivative of 2x plus 3 whole power minus 1 and the nth derivative of what? X minus 2 whole power minus 2. Already we got nth derivative of what? 2x plus 3 whole power minus 1 here. Okay, so this one we can put this expression there. And similarly, nth derivative of x minus 1 whole power minus 2, I got it here. Just we need to substitute. So yn is equal to, okay, nth derivative of this function is what? Minus 1 whole power n into n factorial into 2 power n by 2x plus 3 whole power n plus 1. So you can check it. So this one, minus 1 whole power n factorial 2 power n by 2x plus 3 whole power n plus 1. Next, nth derivative of x minus 1 whole power minus 2. So this expression I should write. So minus 1 whole power n into n plus 1 factorial divided by x minus 1 whole power n plus 2. Okay. Now here commonly you can take minus 1 whole power n. What is remaining? N factorial into 2 power n by 2x plus 3 whole power n plus 1 plus n plus 1 factorial divided by x minus 1 whole power n plus 2. Okay, actually this is the book answer, but you can do one more step, minus 1 whole power. If you take n factorial common, Remaining is what? 2 power n by 2x plus 3 whole power n plus 1. If I took n factorial common, you can write what? N plus 1 factorial, you can write what? N factorial into n plus 1. If I took n factorial common, still remaining have n plus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole power n plus 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Now I'll go to the second method for the fifth problem. Okay, and then I'll come to fifth one. Okay, problem number 5. So ym, find ym if y is equal to x square plus 4 by 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square. So in the previous method, I wrote the numerator in terms of the denominator. Okay, but here directly I'm going to apply partial fraction. So this is equal to what? You can write a by 2x plus 3 plus b by what? X minus 1 plus c by x minus 1 whole square. So throughout multiply by 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square. Okay, then we will get x square plus 4, which is equal to a into x minus 1 whole square. Okay, you get x minus 1 whole square because you are going to throughout multiply by these two terms plus b into what you will get x minus 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 you will get it. Okay, and then plus c into if you multiply by these two terms, x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square gets cancelled. Remaining will get what? 2x plus 3. So if we multiply here, 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square, 1x minus 1 gets cancelled. That's why we are writing what? B into 2x plus 3 into x minus 1. Okay. Now we need to find the value of ABC. So now I'm going to substitute x equal to 1 because if I substitute x equal to 1, this is 0, this is 0. You can find what? C. So x equal to 1 means 1 plus 4, 5. So this is 0, this is 0. So C into x is equal to 1. So 2 plus 3, 5. So C, 5C is equal to 5 means C equal to what? 1. Next, I'm going to make it, these two terms are 0. So substitute x is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2. If I substitute x equal to minus 3 by 2, this is 0, this is 0. So you'll get what? A. So if I substitute x equal to x is equal to minus 3 by 2 the left side, minus 3 by 2 whole square is what? 9 by 4 plus 4 equal to right side a into x is what? Minus 3 by 2 minus 1 whole square. If you simplify this, if you take 4 is LCM, 16 plus 9, 25 by 4 equal to a into, again if you take 2 is LCM, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 2 whole square. So this is also 25 by 4. This is also what? 25 by 4. So and hence 20 by 4 gets cancelled. You get a equal to what? 1. Okay, that's why I write in the next slide. So 20 by 4 is equal to 20 by 4 is equal to 20 by 4 into a. So a is equal to 1. Next, I'm going to substitute x is equal to 0 here. If I substitute x is equal to 0, left side is what? 4. Left side is 4. Yeah. Substitute x is equal to 0, left side is 4. Right side. If I substitute x is equal to 0 here, a minus 1 whole square. So minus 1 whole square is what? 1. Just will get what? A. And then if I substitute 0 here, this term is 0, this term is 0. So remaining have what? B into 3 into minus 1. So that means minus 3b. Okay, or minus 3. Okay, if you multiply these 3, what will get? Okay, or minus 3b. Okay. So that is in the next slide, minus 3b. Next, here x is equal to 0 means 3c. Okay, now already we know that a is what? 1. Substitute a equal to 1 here. So 4 is equal to 1 minus 3b. What is c? C is also 1. Okay, c is also 1. Okay, substitute c is equal to 1 here. So a1, c1. So 1 minus 3b plus c. sorry, plus c 3 into 1 is 3. So from this 3b is equal to 3 plus 1, 4 minus 4. So 3b equal to 0, so b equal to 0. Now, actually, what is your y? Y is what? This is actually y. Y is equal to, this is given problem, y is equal to a by this plus b by this plus c by this. Now, a is 1, c is 1, b is what? 0. Okay, so a1, so 1 by 2x plus 3, b0, c is what? 1 by x minus 1 whole square. So you can write this is what? 2x plus 3 whole power minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole power minus 2. So now y is equal to these two expressions. Now here afterwards you can directly apply nth derivative for this function and nth derivative for this function. So that you can do as we done it the previous method. So that's why I'm not continuing here. So we will check it. Okay, 2x plus what is y? Y is equal to 2x plus 3 whole power minus 1. Please note down. And plus x minus 1 whole power minus 2. We will check it in the previous problem. Yes, y, the equation 1. So y is equal to 2x plus 3 whole power minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole power minus 2. The remaining part is, okay, well, you can already be discussed, that's why I'll skip. Okay, now I'll go move to the problem number 6. Find yn if y is equal to x power 4 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Actually, for this problem, you cannot apply partial fraction directly. So you can apply partial fraction only if the numerator degree is what? Strictly less than denominator degree. What is the numerator degree? 4. Denominator degree is what? 2. But in the previous case, okay, sorry, I'll go to this second method. So here the numerator degree is what? 2. The denominator degree is what? Here 2 plus 1, 3. If the numerator degree is 2, the denominator degree is what? 3. So the degree of the numerator is strictly less than the denominator degree. That's why I apply here what? Partial fraction. But here the numerator degree is what? More than denominator degree. So that's why you cannot apply directly partial fraction. First you should divide the numerator by denominator by log division method that you studied already. So that's why y is equal to x power 4 by, if you simplify this, what you get? X square minus 2x minus x is what? Minus 3x plus 2. Okay, now I'm going to divide x power 4 by x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, this is the divided, this is the divisor. So first I'll write here x square. Okay, if I write x square here, initially you should write x square. Multiply these two, x power 4, x square into x square is x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square. And then change the sign, minus, here this minus means plus, plus now minus. X power 4 gets cancelled. So plus 3x cube minus 2x square. Now next here x square, here 3x cube. So if I get, I want to get 3x cube means I need to put what here? 3x. Then only 3x into x square is what? 3x cube. So now x square into 3x is what? 3x cube. And then minus 3x into plus 3x is what? Minus 9x square. 2 into 3x, 6x. So minus, plus, minus. So 3x cube term gets cancelled. So if you add these two, you get what? 7x square minus 6x. Next, here x square. So I need what? 7x square means plus 7. So 7 into x square plus, minus 21 into what? X. plus 2 into 7, 14. So minus plus minus 7x squared term gets cancelled. Actually, this is what 15x minus 14. Now, I'm going to use the division algorithm. Division algorithm is what? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient, divisor into quotient, okay, and then plus remainder. Okay. So now what is the dividend here? Dividend is x power 4. Okay, this is the divisor. So divisor dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, you can check it. This is the divisor. This is what? Quotient. Okay, this is what? Remainder. So now throughout divide by the divisor. What is the divisor here? X square minus 3x plus 2. So divide both sides. What you will get? X power 4 by x square minus 3x plus 2, which is equal to, we are getting only this term, that's a quotient term, x square plus 3x plus 7 plus 15x minus 14 by, again, divisor. What is the divisor? X square minus 3x plus 2. Actually, this is y, okay? Okay, this is y. Now, the same thing, there is no change. There is no change here. Okay, 15x minus 14. I factorize like this, x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, you can factor, as we multiply, uh, I think you know this method, okay? So you can write x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, now for this term, I'm going to apply partial fraction. Okay, so I'll take this as equation number 1. So 15x minus 14 by x minus 1 into x minus 2, which is equal to a by what? X minus 1. Okay, a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. So we need to find the value of a and b. Okay. So now throughout to multiply by x minus 1 into x minus 2, we will get the left side is what? 15x minus 14 is equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. If I put x is equal to 1, this is 0. So left side is what? 15 minus 14 is equal to a into 1 minus 2. So left side is what? 1 equal to minus a. So a equal to minus 1. If I substitute x is equal to 2, this is 0. So what is the left side? 15 to 2, 30 minus 14, which is equal to, this is 0. B into 2 minus 1. So b equal to 16. So we got a and b. I'm going to substitute these two values here. A is minus 1, b is what? 16. Okay. So what is y? Actually, y is, this is actually y. Y is equal to this term plus this term. Instead of this, you can write what? A by x minus 1 plus b by what? X minus 2. So y is equal to, this is the given problem from equation 1. Okay, you can check it. X square plus 3x plus 7 I wrote here, and then plus okay, this term you can write what? A, what is a? Minus 1 by x minus 1. So plus, within bracket I'll put what? A is minus 1 by x minus 1 plus b. B is what? 16 by x minus 2. Okay, so y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 7. Okay, okay, x square plus 3x plus 7 minus x minus 1 whole power minus 1 plus 16 into x minus 2 whole power minus 1. So I'll take, this is equation number 2. Now I'm going to differentiate n times. So for this, we need a formula, nth derivative of ax plus b whole power minus 1. That is what? Minus 1 whole power n into n factorial into a power n by ax plus b whole power n plus 1. So here, what is a? A is 1. Okay, a 1. B is what? Minus 1. So nth derivative of x minus 1 whole power minus 1 is minus 1 whole power n into n factorial. So a is 1. So 1 power n is 1. Again, here denominator. What is the denominator? ax plus b. So a is 1. So x, what is b? B is minus 1. So minus 1 whole power n plus 1. Next, the same formula I'm going to apply here for x minus 2 whole power minus 1. So here a is what? 1, b is minus 2. So a is 1 now. So a is 1, b is minus 2. If I apply a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 2, we will get nth derivative of x minus 2 whole power minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power n into n factorial into 1 power n. Okay, minus 1 whole power n into n factorial into 1 power n is what? 1. In the denominator, what you have? Ax plus b. What is a here? Again 1. B is what? Minus 2. So x minus 2 whole power n, x minus 2 whole power n plus 1. Okay. Now differentiate equation 2. So n times. So if you differentiate equation 2 n times means left side is what? Yn. Yn. Okay. If you differentiate this term n times 0, if you differentiate this term n times 0. If you differentiate this term n times 0. Okay. Only these two terms are left. So first I will write plus term and then I will write what? Minus term. So 16 into nth derivative of x minus 2 whole power minus 1. So nth derivative of, okay, you can write 16 outside the nth derivative also you can write if you want. Here also you can write. Okay, you can write here itself if you want. Okay. Okay. So nth derivative of 16 into x minus 2 whole power minus 1. And then first term, okay, minus nth derivative of x minus 1 whole power minus 1. So now 16 into nth derivative of x minus 2 whole power minus 1 is what? I think here minus 1 whole power n into n factorial by x minus 2 whole power n plus 1 minus nth derivative of x minus 1 whole power minus 1. You can check it in the previous slide. Minus 1 whole power n into n factorial by x minus 1 whole power n plus 1. I think you can check it here. So what is common here? Minus 1 whole power n into n factorial is common. So if you take minus 1 whole power n factorial, what is remaining? 16 by x minus 2 whole power n plus 1. Okay, and then minus 1 by x minus 1 whole power n plus 1. Okay, so I'll stop here. The remaining problems we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.